everyone. Welcome to Power Brain TV. Power Brain TV. Subscribe for more videos. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Class 8 Computer Chapter 9 Data Science. This is last chapter of this book, so subscribe for more subjects. Questions and answers. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. A. Data is an assimilation of raw facts and figures pertaining. B. Decisions taken on the basis of data are considered smart decisions. C. Developers creates a blueprint for proper flow of data and its management. D. Continuous data can be graphically displayed using histograms and line graph. A. The insights gained from the data help an organization to improve an organization's decision-making capabilities. 2. Select the most suitable alternative. A. Which of the following is a visualization technique? I. Charts. E. Graphs. E. Tables. IV. All of the above. Answer: IV. All of the above. B. Text analytics is used to derive information from I. Text. E. Images. E. Videos. IV. All of the above. Answer: IV. All of the above. C. Which of the following is a combination of information and graphics? I. Infographics. E. Tables. E. Graphs. IV. None of the above. Answer: I. Infographics. D. Data visualization helps to I. Determine accuracy of data. E. Determine the correct format of data. E. Determine the quality of data. IV. All of the above. Answer: IV. All of the above. 3. State whether true or false. A. Discrete data can be counted. Answer: true. B. Data is very crucial asset for an organization. Answer: true. C. Qualitative data can be measured as a fixed quantity. Answer: true. D. Data science helps to extract valuable information from data. Answer: true. A. Data needs to be graphically represented to understand its meaning. Answer: false. 4. Answer the following questions. A. Why do we need image analytics? Answer: we need image analytics for processing of images as one of the essential features of data science. in which images are processed to identify objects, people, and other patterns. Analytics of images is the extraction of useful information conveyed by images. B. What are the different categories of data? Answer. Different between categories of data. I. Quantitative data. It refers to data which has counting features and can be represented in numbers or in fixed value. E. Qualitative data. Qualitative data is a value which cannot be represented as numbers. It is non-numeric and hence is not very easy to measure. Such kind of data denotes qualities or characteristics. Compared to quantitative data, qualitative data about any entity is subjective, and its value can vary from person to person. C. Write any 3 applications of data science. Answer. Airline route planning, fraud detection, internet search. D. What is data science? Why do we need to use the aspects of data science? Answer. Data science, in simple words, is the field of study that involves collecting, analyzing, and interpreting large sets of data to uncover insights, patterns, and trends that can be used to make informed decisions and solve real-world problems. A. Write 3 career opportunities that can emerge from the field of data science. Answer. Data scientist, data architect, data analyst. Now your book is finished. All chapters of this book are already uploaded. Subscribe for more subjects. Thanks for watching this video. Keep watching with Power Brain TV.